Hey, everybody. Hello. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Angela. I'm the founder of Game Ministry. And as you guys can see here, today's video is going to talk about our annotating series. Gain more understanding, take your reading to the next level. So our Friday videos will be called Flip Through the Pages or Flip the Pages. And this one is going to be all about annotating. On Fridays, we're going to have specific books and things like that. So, you guys, welcome. If you're watching from our old YouTube channel, Sisters and Pearls, make sure that you look in the description box and get connected to our new YouTube channel. You guys know we're in the middle of a ministry makeover, so a lot of things that we're trying to change up and just move everybody over to our new social media platforms. All right, so let's jump on in. So, annotating series, gain more understanding, take your reading to the next level. Who's excited? All right, so hello. Welcome to my annotating series. Are you excited to kick off this series? So we have been stopping a lot of things, you guys, with the annotating, but with GAFCU opening and all that in place, we are excited that now we're in a place where we can focus on these great books that we have been trying to share, or I've been trying to share with you guys how I annotate them and really just complete all the books. So why I annotate? I annotate because it keeps me engaged. It helps me understand what I'm reading. It slows my reading down so I don't miss anything by skimming the pages. And then finally, it helps me retain what I am reading. So pulling out, your index cards, your sticky notes, taking notes, highlighting and underlining, you guys, it is life changing. When I was in school, I did not engage in my reading. Like, I would skim through so that I can get the answers to questions when we had discussions and things like that. But to really dive into your books, whether it's I don't know, a biography, or a nonfiction book or a fiction book, whatever it is that you're reading, your Bibles and your song lyrics, and I list some of these things, a newspaper article, something, that a blog post, you can annotate pretty much anything. You just have to learn the key components to it. But whatever that you're reading, you guys doing these steps, I'm telling you, it's going to help you retain. It's going to help you remember. If somebody asked you what was that about, you'll be able to really explain it. If you guys do you know book reviews or different things like that, having this system and having notes taken and all these things, it will help you create these book reviews and really just engage with the book and really understand the characters or what's going on, things like that. So I love it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. So step one is you're going to tab your book, create a color code and symbol system. You're going to set up a notebook for notes and use index cards or sticky notes. And then you're going to create a reading schedule and goals. So I have this as in a general step one because you don't have to follow the books that I'm going to be sharing right here on YouTube. You can choose whatever books that you're doing so that you have the simple step one concept without it being specifically zoned for a specific type of book. Okay, hope that makes sense. So annotating can be used for reading books, reading your Bible, song lyrics, so much more, like I just said. So our annotating series video will upload every Friday. Flip the Pages series, that's what it's going to be called. And they post every Friday at 4 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys know I'm in the Pacific Standard Time, so I'm, for the later, it's earlier for me for most of the time. So today is going to be an early video, but starting next Friday, they will post every Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right. So I'm excited, you guys. I hope you're excited as well that we are going to kick this off on the right foot. So what to expect? Every video will not be a complete walkthrough, but I will show my annotations. I'm going to talk key points. I'm going to share notes, and I'm going to flip through the pages so that you can see, where I annotated and things like that, show you some notes and stuff. And there's a reason why. You just have to continue to watch the video to figure out why. So let's get started. So the books we will begin to annotate. The first book is going to be Fervent. We started out with Fervent, so I'm going to start off with Fervent again. So this one is going to be from June 10th through July 15th, and it's going to be again every Friday. So you have time to annotate the book prior to me showing you what I annotated. So that way it's just not a copy. Let's copy what Angela's doing and write Angela's notes and thoughts and things like that. I want you to learn the technique of annotating, so that way you can annotate your books, Bibles, whatever that you're using for notes. Anything that you're using it for. I want you to have the concept and the technique down for yourself. So this allows you to read throughout your book throughout the week. You're able to take notes. You're able to highlight, define words that you want to define, take notes on things that stick out to you prior to me showing you or discussing with you what I did in my book. Does that make sense? Put it in the comments down below. No copying. You learn the technique. That is the goal here. We want you to learn the technique. All right. So that's going to be the first book. Then the second book will be Forgiving What You Can't Forget. And this one's from July 22nd through September 23rd. And again, every Friday. Now, this particular book is going to be a little bit more that I show on YouTube, because this one has a Bible study to go with it and a journal. So it'll be a mesh of those three things that we will discuss and share. And then there's going to be more in a little bit, and I'll explain to you. So stay tuned. And then this book I'm so excited to do. This one is called The 40-Day Soul Fast, Your Journey to an Authentic Living. Sorry. So books will be, we will begin to annotate. This one was going to be a part of the Miracle Mornings. So this video will post on Mondays, 7 through July 11 through August 28th, right? And this particular book is on a weekly, sorry guys, on a weekly basis. And so this one has a little bit different setup, and I will do a separate video for this, but I want you guys to know this is a video that I will be doing, so that a way you can see if this is something that you want to do and participate in. Okay, so you can purchase the book on your own, or of course you guys know that if you're part of the group, we definitely try to get these books to you. So here is the rest of the year. So you'll have Lady in Waiting, and this is from September 30th through November 4th. And then you have Discerning the Voice of God will close out the year, and that is from November 11th through December 30th. All right. So make sure that if you have these books, you prepare for them. You let me know if you're going to be participating. So, dun, 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 dun. So if you stayed through the whole video, now you know our secret. So Annotating and Book Club private game Facebook group is opening on June 5th. So I am detaching this from our actual Facebook group, and I'm going to create a private group because I tried to keep what I do from GAFCU and in the group, and then what's on YouTube kind of separated, so that a way, it's not too distracting, especially when it comes to the Bible studies and stuff. So this one we're going to be able to gather here in our new Facebook group that's going to open June 5th. That's all about annotating and our book clubs, our books that we're reading, right? Who's excited? I am. So what to know about this new group? So there is going to be a $10 fee to join this private group, okay? And it's paid 2 times a year, in June and in January. And so what does this fee cover? So this fee covers all the books, your annotating guides, Cornell note-taking templates, and so much more that I'm not going to share right here in on YouTube. You have to get in so that you guys can see what else what other goodies are in there for you. But we will have book club discussion lives. We're going to have annotating walkthrough lives. So it's going to be more um, of what we're doing on in that private group than it is going to be right here on YouTube. So YouTube, you'll get a snippet of, the note taking, the flip throughs and things like that. But the in-depth discussions are, discussions are in our annotating walkthroughs and all that other goodies will be in that private group. So make sure that you pray on it and you see that, that God leads you to join this group. And it's a small $10 fee because that helps us buying books and things like that so that we can bless those, in the group. All right. So hopefully everybody will be okay with that. So thank you. Comment below and let me know which book you will be following for annotating. I will be so glad to see who all will be following this series. If you want to be a part of that private Facebook group, just comment down below and just put me in the group. You put me in the group and we'll kind of start making a list. You're going to have a post and reminders about it. And more information coming out in the group specifically and in the hub if you're in classroom. So again, just pray on it, you guys. It's a small fee, twice a year, so that's $20 a year. But you get so much exclusive things in that group that that's just a small fee of what we pay for it to make sure that we provide you with everything so that you can participate all year round. All right. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you're not a part of the game ministry, that you click that subscribe button and join the family. You guys give the video a thumbs up, and then lastly, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. So again, comment down below if you're going to be following this series, and let me know if you're interested in wanting to join our private Facebook group specifically for annotating and the book clubs. All right. Bye, guys.